welcome to UP! Ayan, so we are here for our morning run. Good morning! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Medyo high yung energy natin ngayon kasi tayo po ay pupunta sa UP Diliman at tatakbo ulit. Medyo kailangan natin magbawas ng mga baby fats. Samahan niyo ako sa ating quick exercise ngayong umaga to keep ourselves active and healthy. So, let's go! We are here at UP Diliman. Magsushoes lang tayo mga kaibigan. So if you are into running, madaming recommended shoes for running, no? Merong Nike, merong Adidas. But sa amin, because we run a lot as well, may mga recommended din kami, shoes for running. I personally use Brooks. Yan. So sobrang gaan ng sapatos na to. Meron din sa mga kasama ko yung Newton na brand. Running shoes are actually can be quite expensive. So you just have to choose the right fit and the right comfort para sa paa nyo. So mag-ano lang, magsasapatos lang. So I'm wearing my Clark half marathon shirt. When we joined the Clark Marathon last year, wala pang pandemic nun. So we finished 21-kilometer run at Clark. Okay, samahan niyo ako sa ating Balik Alindog program. Ayan, so we are going to the oval area kung saan tayo tatakbo. So I'll let you see kung gaano kadaming mga tao ngayon dito na tumatakbo. Ayan, welcome to UP! Let's go takbo! Ayan, so may mga natumba din pala mga puno dito sa UP. Grabe yung lakas ng bagyo. Naputol yung mga puno. Alright, let's go hit the road. Yan. So hindi lang runners nandito sa UP, guys, also bikers usually jam pack dito pag Saturday, Sunday. Ngayon bumabalik na kasi wala na masyadong restrictions dito sa UP area. Look at this, the green field. Yan, ganda, diba? Ayan, sa mga puno na naman na natumba, mga sanga na bali dahil sa bagyo. Ayan. So medyo nililinis na rin nila yung lugar. Ayan, yung mga nabaling sanga. So they're also doing some clearing out operation here upang malinis yung lugar. Ayan. So I'm now almost completing one round ng run. Ayan, pagpagod na, lakad-lakad din. Ganda dito. Malinis, maaliwalas, mahangin, hindi mainit. Ayan guys, so na-complete na yung isang round natin. And to my surprise, I got here with me ang aming tanyag na kapitan sa grupo. Si Kapitan Normel. Captain Normel. Kumusta ka, Kap? Ha?
Hingan.
Hingan. So, usually dito din siya. At saka doon sa Kisi Circle.
Yeah.
So, shout out sa aming L-Try team. Ayan. Yun na si Kap, nauna na siya. Oo, hayaan na natin siya guys kasi may sarili siyang ano eh, may sarili siyang target. Usually, I would spend my weekend here, Saturday or Sunday, for a quick run. Maybe 5 to 6 kilometer, okay na, basta makomplete ko yung target ko. And so just to share with you, I'm into multi-sports as well. So aside from running, I do swimming and biking as well. So I have teammates. So I'm a member of L-Try team. So shout out sa ating mga ka-teammate ulit dyan. Yun nga, so usually dito kami nagra-run. Ito yung usual takbuhan namin. But right now, hindi kami halos magkikita-kita because of the pandemic. So, yun nga, minsan nagkakagulatan na lang kasi andun pala sila. Hindi na namin nami-message yung isa't isa sometimes. So, kanya-kanya yung diskarte.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so na-complete na ang 2 rounds. So that's equivalent to 5 kilometer run here at UP Diliman. It's been a very good morning so far. So again, if you're looking for a place to run, a nice place to run, I'll recommend UP Diliman. Kita nyo naman, sobrang linis, sobrang hindi masyadong mainit dito. So if you're concerned about your skin and baka ma-expose under the sun, this is the perfect place. Yeah, so keep yourself fit, especially during this time. You know, running lowers blood pressure, good for your heart, and the rest of cardio exercises. So yeah, I usually do this not just for vlogging purposes, but this is really for health and to stay fit. Babalik na sa aking sasakyan para makapagbihis na. I'm craving for scrambled egg and the bacon, so I don't know where to go after, but for sure gonna have breakfast. Yun na, ano, binabawi sa kain yung exercise eh. Okay, keep yourself safe and fit, keep running and enjoy the day. Bye guys.